Good morning. It's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm, and we're here back on another Tuesday. We are talking on a different area, not involving the law, but a very important topic. We have CiCi Dixon from Eufaula here to talk about a foundation that she recently created. And CiCi, I appreciate you coming on this morning.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
You're welcome. And please just tell the folks about the name of the foundation and a little bit about it.
Sure. The name of our foundation is the Dixon Brain Cancer Foundation. I started it in memory of my husband, Mike, who passed away in August of 2016 from a primary brain tumor. And the purpose of the foundation is to help patients diagnosed with primary brain tumors receive travel funds to help them get to a treatment facility that specializes in handling primary brain cancer.
And this new foundation has now received its nonprofit status?
Correct.
Okay.
We are a 501c3, so all contributions are tax deductible to us.
Okay. Tell the folks a little bit about what's the purpose of the foundation? How does it work? How do people become eligible for funding and those things?
Sure. The only eligibility requirement is that a person has been diagnosed with a primary brain tumor. Now, that can be a malignant tumor or a non-malignant tumor. The malignant tumors tend to be incredibly aggressive. My husband had the most aggressive type of primary brain tumor, glioblastoma. That's what Ted Kennedy died from, what Beau Biden died from, and what John McCain has most recently been diagnosed with. About 12,000 people a year will be diagnosed with glioblastoma. We also, though, help patients that have been diagnosed with non-malignant primary brain tumors. Those people often have just as serious complications as people that are diagnosed with malignant primary brain tumors. So really the only requirement is that a patient has received one of these diagnoses.
Okay.
We are not set up, however, to help people with metastatic brain cancer. So if they, for example, had lung cancer that metastasized to their brain, that is not part of what we do. It has to be some type of primary brain tumor.
What type of funds or financial assistance does the foundation offer to patients who meet that criteria?
So what our primary purpose is to provide travel support for people with primary brain cancer or primary brain tumors to get to a facility that is equipped to deal with their condition. There are only 34 centers in the United States with specified brain tumor programs. And because these cancers are so aggressive, so someone diagnosed with glioblastoma, for example, the median survival rate is 15 months. Most 90% of those patients die within 2 years. It is very, very important that a person diagnosed with primary brain cancer gets to a place that is very equipped to deal with it.
And in the South, where are those?
In the South, I mean, there's UAB has a primary brain tumor program, Duke, MD Anderson. All three of those are excellent facilities with a lot of research going on in them.
For those types of patients who are aware of your foundation or maybe heard our video, watched the video here, how do they reach out to the foundation to see whether or not they might become eligible for some financial assistance?
Right. Well, right now we're in the process of developing a website and a social media presence. So until we get all that up and running, the best way to contact me is through email. And that email address is the Dixon Brain Cancer Foundation at gmail.com.
And Dixon is Dixon?
Correct.
So it's the Dixon
Brain Cancer Foundation.
All one word.
All one word at gmail.com.
Okay. And this is September of 2017, so you're hoping in this next quarter to hopefully put together a website and Facebook and other social media.
Correct. Hopefully by the
Okay.
end of the year, we can launch our website and have a social media platform, so it's a little bit easier to find us.
Okay, so they contact you, and then they go through the vetting process, and through the discussions, et cetera, they figure out, or the foundation figures out if somebody's eligible for certain types of financial assistance.
That is correct.
Okay.
And the financial assistance that we provide is travel
Okay.
expenses. So whether that is a plane ticket or a hotel room or both, or even just gas if you're driving, that's what we're set up to do. We're not trying to supplement insurance company, pay for care.
Sure.
We're just simply trying to make the process of getting to one of these centers easier for people.
And folks who are aware of the foundation but want to make donations, can they also contact you through that same Gmail address?
Correct.
Okay, and since you're a 501c3 organization, it'd be tax deductible. Are there any other services right now that the foundation is either performing or considering for patients?
So one of the things that I have done in the past, I have spent some time with patients walking through their appointment day with them. Maybe it was their first appointment at one of these brain cancer centers. It's very overwhelming. Sometimes if you're at MD Anderson, for example, it's gigantic, and it's nice to have somebody with you that can sort of walk through that day,
Sure.
tell you what to expect, take you from one place to another. That's not necessarily something that will happen with every patient, but if a patient requests it, then we're going to do our best to meet that need for them as well, at least on that first visit.
Okay, well, those are all, it's great information. This is a fantastic foundation, and I hope that the word keeps spreading to those folks who need it the most. Are there any other things in store or coming up for the foundation at this point, other than the social media and getting the word out?
Right, that's what we're really working on right now is the website, the social media, just general awareness about who we are and what we're doing. And so that's really our primary function right now.
Okay, well, CiCi, thank you for
Sure.
telling us about this important work that you're doing. Thank you all for spending a few minutes with us this morning. We'll be back next Tuesday with another topic on the law. Again, I'm Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm. You can always reach me at 205-930-6900. We have a website, nomberglaw.com, as well as on social media. Thank you for spending, again, a few minutes with us, and we hope you have a good rest of your week.